Japan video. As you can tell, we are going on a trip. It's just a little weekend trip. So we are going to Fukuoka for an away game. The away game is on Friday and Saturday, but we're not coming back until Sunday. But guys, if you've watched the previous vlogs, you know how I feel about Fukuoka. Like, it was just an up and down situation. So hopefully this trip is on the upside of things, because yeah, that second time we went, it just was not what was up at all. Like, that was a terrible trip. But then we went the first time, I think it was like 2 years ago. It was great, had a lot of fun. So hopefully with basketball in the mix this time, and then just kind of having a little bit of time to just explore the city, it'll be more chill and fun instead of that second trip. Like, no, if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. It just wasn't it. Like, you could probably tell from the video, like, it just wasn't it with that trip. So it is what it is. But we are going to Fukuoka tomorrow, so I just finished picking out all my outfits, got them laid out, gonna pack my bag. Hey y'all, so I am all packed and ready to go to Fukuoka. I was just getting ready to walk out the door, and then I realized I hadn't picked y'all up to like check in for the day. Sorry, yesterday seemed a little like kind of all over the place, but it was getting late. I was trying to finish editing a vlog. I needed to pack, so I was trying to just get the video started, and then I was like, go ahead on and pack, do what I need to do. And then today, we're gonna pick up, you know, with our normal vibes. One of my hats was sticking out of my suitcase, so I needed to tuck that in because I didn't want nothing crazy to happen. But we are getting ready to head to Fukuoka. My train leaves in about an hour, but it's gonna take me like 15-20 minutes to get to the train station. So Sakura season is upon us, and everything is about to be decked out in Sakura. But look at this cup and bag. Come on, Starbucks. So we made it to the hotel. I'm about to change really quick because we're gonna make use of today, because the game doesn't start until 7 and it's only 3 o'clock. So we're gonna go sightsee around the area and just see Fukuoka, then we'll go to the game like right after. So I'm gonna change and I'll come back. And other than that, train ride was really cool. Nothing crazy, real chill. Nobody sat by me, so had all my space. But other than that, didn't do anything except for like edit a vlog, which hopefully, fingers crossed, will be up Monday. All right, I'm all dressed, changed. I put on my AJ stuff, got some pants, and I have on my Adidas. These are actually, well, if y'all can see them, hold on. These are my Adidas, my new ones. These were actually my Valentine's Day gift. So now we're getting ready to go. Just got back from the game, but earlier I didn't give y'all a proper room tour, so we're gonna do that right now before I start putting my stuff everywhere. So when you walk in, you have the restroom right over here. Just a pretty chill restroom, nothing crazy, just a shower, toilet, you know, restroom stuff. And then they also have a air purifier, full body mirror, check the fits. And then walk over here, you have the bed. It's like a little seating area, desk. And then over here is our view, which during the daytime, it's really not that bad. I believe it's just like another hotel or apartment, so no crazy view. But I really like the accents in here because I'm starting to figure out, like, this hotel has a lot of Japanese inspired art, and I am just in love with it. I'll have to show y'all downstairs as well because they have this style photographed art just about everywhere. It's always crazy being here in Japan because walking at night is something I would probably never do at home, at least walking by myself, but I find myself doing that often here. I just got back from Family Mart, so all I did was get some water because I really haven't had any water today except for early this morning, but I need to get back on my water grind because your girl is thirsty. But like I was saying, I don't really find myself walking late at night at home, but here sometimes we do. But it's just like you feel this sense of comfortableness, like you're okay like walking at night. I don't know, it makes sense to me. But anyway, so just waiting on Domino's because that's what I ordered from Uber Eats. So just waiting on that, gonna eat my pizza and take a shower and go to bed because gotta wake up tomorrow because they have another game, so hopefully we get the dub tomorrow. But other than that, unless something changes, I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. So it is the next day and I'm getting ready for the game. Well, I just actually finished getting ready for the game. I didn't sleep too well last night. Not in like I slept bad, but I just kept waking up. I kept thinking I was gonna oversleep for some reason. So like I woke up at 7, I woke up at 7, 8, and then 9, and I kind of just stayed up from there. I don't know why I kept doing that. So other than that, pretty good. I like a nice cold room. And also this is AJ's new sweatsuit and I'm finally wearing it. It's this color and I think a black color maybe, I don't know, but I really like this. I'm feeling like in my what's it called, like the early, like the 90s, you know how they used to be working out in a sweatsuit. This is cute though, I like this. Hey y'all, so update, we didn't win today, but AJ had a really good game. So right now we're about to get on the train to go get something to eat. But good morning y'all, welcome to the next day. So right now we're getting ready to check out the hotel and get some food, head back to Kagoshima. So I do feel like with this trip, I haven't been like talking to y'all and I feel bad about that. But it's like we had the basketball games going on. I was also traveling with another wife, so like she and I were hanging out. So it's like I didn't want to pull the camera out and be like da 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 da. So I don't want to be rude. So yeah, we're gonna have to chat once we get back home because we're gonna go get food, get on the train, head back to Kagoshima. We have made it to the train station. It took us about an hour and a half to get a ticket because it was one kiosk for the Shinkansen area we were in. So that took a while. So we missed like the 2 times we thought we were gonna take, but now we just gotta wait like 20 minutes for our train to come. But then we won't be able to sit by each other. Like we did reserve seating, but I guess it's just so much motion going to Kagoshima or going towards Kagoshima. You know, there's not a lot of seats on the train. But anyways, we're just waiting right now. I'm ready to get back. I'm a little tired. I need maybe like a little nappy nap. Just like a little quick power nap because this just kind of wore me out. So yesterday I had every intention to pick up the camera and update y'all about, you know, Fukuoka, how it was, all that. Because like I said, I really didn't get to talk to y'all like while we were out doing stuff, looking. But once we got back, we had took a nap. We woke up, went to dinner, came back, showered, and went to bed. We were literally exhausted from just traveling, and then we're sitting on the train, and I think both of us took naps on the train. So yeah, we were tired. But today I got up and really haven't been doing anything except for kind of cleaning, washing clothes, putting up clothes, and then working on my vlog so I can get that up this week. But other than that, Fukuoka was really good. Other than the games, like losing 2 games is never fun, like especially because that team and AJ's team are first and second, so it's like, you know, the 2 top teams on this side of the bracket are playing each other. So wish we could have at least walked away with 1, but like those referees were throwing technicals left and right, like they rethrown technical, so that wasn't fun. But hey, when you're on the road, I mean, the refs are really not gonna be on your side, but it just sucks when it's like really bad. Outside of basketball, it wasn't bad because we just basically Ubered everywhere. So Fukuoka is a city that has Uber, and so I could just use my Uber app, and then we could get from point A to B and wherever we need to go. And we also had our public transportation cards, so we did take the tram a couple places, but not many. And then we just walked everywhere else that we needed to. So we got where we needed to go. The food was good. We ate at a burger place, and that was the last night we were there. That burger was really, really good, and I had bacon on mine, and that's like their big thing there because the owner smokes the bacon outside, like on a smoker, so it's like has that like barbecue grilly type taste, and that bacon was actually really, really good. And then earlier that day we ate at a coffee shop, and I had a BLT. I recently just got into tomatoes. Like, I don't know what it is. I've been missing out on life. Like, I love me a good little tomato now. So the BLT was real good. I enjoyed that. And then what else did we eat? We had Domino's one night because it was really late. And then, oh, a Cinnabon. That was one of the things. So we were walking. So me and the other wife, we were walking in the train station, and like we're like, dang, let's just grab something to eat before we head to the gym. So we're like looking around, and we saw McDonald's, but she was like, oh, we're gonna eat McDonald's later tonight, her and her guy. So I was like, okay, cool, don't worry about it, let's not get McDonald's. So we're just like looking around, and literally our eyes locked in on Cinnabon at the same time, and we like looked at Cinnabon, and then we looked at each other and was like, let's get a cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh, like anytime I see Cinnabon, it reminds me of home because at our mall, so Baybrook Mall, it's like 2 Cinnabons, but there's an original one across from the finish line, but that wasn't the finish line at first. It used to be Hollister, but like that's like one of the main entrances, and there's a Cinnabon as soon as you walk in. It's like as soon as you walk in the mall, you smell the cinnamon rolls. Like, I'm showing my age right now with that, but like so good. So we got that, and we ate our cinnamon rolls at the game. Like, they were so good. I wish we could have warmed them up, but it is what it is. But it was just so good to eat that cinnamon roll. And then I think that's it from Fukuoka, because we tried to go to another place, but they were too packed and you had to wait in like a longer line. Even though the second place we went to with the BLT, we had to wait in a line, but it wasn't as long as the other place. And they had supposedly really good creme brulee pancakes, but hey, we didn't get to try it, so maybe another time. But other than that, Fukuoka was actually good this time. Had a really good time. It wasn't like that second trip, so Fukuoka is back. Oh my goodness. But I am getting ready to finish this video, so thank you guys for hanging out with me in Fukuoka, and I will see you in the next video.